It's been a very long time since KASPA coin had a good pump. Investors still wondering why. However, the team are trying their best to make KASPA investors smile and be happy again. But it seems like the investors need answers as they ask questions linking to the burning update of KASPA and if KASPA is really doing to burn some tokens in the future. In this video, we will be discussing everything about the burning of KASPA tokens. Also, we will be discussing what KASPA really needs to grow in the crypto space. But before getting into the topic, I'm a crypto enthusiast and investor. Please note that I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say about coins I talk about are from my researches and opinions. So when investing in any coin I recommend, kindly do a little more research to be on the safer side and do not forget to invest wisely. Also, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button, so this video can reach more people. Without much saying, let's get into the discussion. Firstly, do you think a burning of KASPA tokens will really help its growth in the long run? Comment down below and let's get started. KASPA is a proof-of-work cryptocurrency that implements the Ghostdag protocol. Ghostdag does not orphan blocks created in parallel, rather allows them to coexist and orders them in consensus. For those that do not know what Ghostdag means, according to Belay Mining, Ghostdag is a protocol that utilizes a clustering mechanism to sort and organize data within the chain. In this process, data groups including transactions are grouped together based on their similarities and assigned a centroid or mean. The number of centroids required is denoted by a user-defined. The objective of Ghostdag is to assign each datum to the nearest cluster and keep the centroids as small as possible. Using a greedy algorithm, Ghostdag efficiently sorts the data and places each datum in its appropriate location. Unlike structured algorithms, a greedy algorithm optimizes the task at hand based on the best possible solution at any given moment. Ghostdag categorizes data blocks into two types, blue and red. Blue blocks reside on the chain, while red blocks do not. Rather than aiming to identify the largest cluster, Ghostdag's greedy algorithm focuses on finding the blue set with the most favorable tip and incorporates data from outside the set. By combining blues and reds, a chain is formed with the selected tips block being the most recent. This approach, combined with user-defined and mined data, establishes a topological order in the chain. Back to KASPA. Its framework primarily targets the challenges of speed and scalability that plague traditional blockchains. While conventional systems rely on miners to verify transactions, this approach often sacrifices scalability. KASPA aims to automate the approval process by leveraging the Ghostdag protocol while improving scalability and maintaining network security integrity. Furthermore, KASPA is designed to be a permissionless network, providing accessibility to all participants, and eliminating the need for an administrator as a gatekeeper. KASPA also addresses the critical issue of securely providing proof of work without compromising security. While transactions themselves are secure, the verification process requires a separate set of parameters and programming. KASPA implements a technique called pruning, which involves removing data older than 3 days from the Blockdag. By limiting the available data, KASPA protects itself from the vulnerabilities associated with a 51% attack. Centralized manipulation becomes virtually impossible if more than 50% of the blockchain is not under the control of a single entity. The data beyond the 3-day threshold is stored elsewhere, preventing hackers from accessing it and foiling any attempted takeover. According to its website, KASPA coin has some interesting features on its platform which are 1. Fast transaction. KASPA's Blockdag network generates multiple blocks every second for posting transactions to the ledger. Combined with fully confirmed transactions in 10 seconds, This makes KASPA ideally fast for everyday transactions. 2. Instant transaction confirmation. KASPA was designed to be hundreds of times faster than Bitcoin, with each KASPA transaction visible to the network in 1 second, and each transaction fully confirmed in 10 seconds on average. 3. Scalability. KASPA solves the scalability problem with its ability to generate and confirm multiple blocks per second. This comes with no trade-off to security and decentralization as seen with proof-of-stake networks. 4. Efficient proof of work. KASPA utilizes the optical mining ready K-heavy hash algorithm for consensus and security of the network. This algorithm, combined with high-throughput DAG and no wasted blocks, makes it less energy-intensive than other POW networks. 5. Security. KASPA harnesses an ultra-secure block network with no compromise to decentralization. Achieved with pure, stake-less, proof of work combined with a revolutionary Ghostdag consensus mechanism. 6. Blockdag. Overcoming the problem of blockchains, KASPA processes all blocks in parallel, linking all side chains. This leads to a DAG structure that increases the formation of blocks per second drastically, creating a blocked DAG. Finally, the last major problem KASPA aims to solve is how to provide proof of work securely without sacrificing security. The transactions themselves are secure, but verifying them is a separate task that requires its own programming and set of parameters. One of the ways that KASPA does this is by pruning, whereby the block DAG is purged of data older than 3 days. In general, KASPA increased speed, comparable security, and simplification of processes. KASPA was launched on November 7, 2021. It has a total and maximum supply of 28 billion KAS tokens with over 19 billion of them in circulation. At the moment, KASPA is trading at 4 cents, with a market capitalization of around $84 million. A fully diluted market cap of $1 billion and a 24-hour trading volume of around $13 million. Seeing this price tag and chart, you can clearly see it's pumping. This shows that the market is effective at the moment. Before you ask, I do not think KASPA is pumping because any burning update. Maybe investors are buying back the dip without any reasons for it. Talking about the burn will really help KASPA coin to grow, but to be frank with y'all, there is no burning of any coins. I haven't seen any article or news stating a burn from the KASPA coin. But I would like to tell you that KASPA doesn't need burnt tokens to grow. The team needs to do more marketing and development for the coin to expand its reach. Again, burning tokens doesn't help the growth of a project. You can use Shiba Inu and Dogecoin Mars as examples. It doesn't help in the long run. It will just help the project to gain short-term momentum, and after that, the coin is dead. So I love what KASPA is really doing. Slow and steady growth is actually the best. This will be the end of the video. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and invest wisely. Thanks.